Brooklyn Bridge, Country Boy here, bringing you views. Manhattan City we're heading right now. And this is Country Boy coming to you live, direct, raw. We are on Brooklyn Bridge. We heading to Manhattan. We heading to Manhattan. And we going to look for roast duck. Somebody say they feel like eating roast duck with vegetables and white rice. So go with me for the ride. We're going to Manhattan, picking duck, roast duck, white rice and vegetables. Enjoy. I got Missy and some boys in the back. Follow me for the ride. Still on Brooklyn Bridge. So when we get out Brooklyn Bridge, where we going? We go into
Mott Street.
You want to go on Mott Street, where you have all these nice restaurants there. Those nice picking duck hanging up by the glass case. Wow. Let's see. Well, I ain't lying. I love it. Picking duck? Yes, I do. So we are here, and I could show you a little bit up there if you like. Look at that. Beautiful. So give me some direction. We're going straight up, and then we should find on the left is where we're going, right? So let's see if this is right. So we are
head toward Chambers Street. Congestion relief zone en route.
Oh, here my co-pilot just kicking there with your GPS.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Worth Street.
Turn right, yes, into Worth Street. There you go. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You sure we're driving right?
Mm-hmm.
Continue?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
At the light, turn right onto Worth Street.
What street? Make a right here?
No.
The next one? This light, yes. You sure you're right? How many minutes?
5.
5 minutes? Okay, so just for my viewers' understanding, we are in Chinatown right now. Just get off Brooklyn Bridge and we head into a restaurant for roast duck and vegetables and whatever else come with it. I tell you, stay tuned, stay updated. I'm gonna bring you live. I'm gonna show you. So we're making a right here, said, and that sign says pedestrian first. They have the right to way, just in case you want to know. Right? You do not go before the pedestrian. Welcome to Manhattan City.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Mulberry Street.
What? Yes, turn left. I remember now. Yeah, Mulberry Street. Don't take it off. Leave it on. I remember. Parking gonna be a problem, but it's okay. Let's go. Alright, so we are in Manhattan as we speak. But we are in Chinatown. And this is how we do it. Look, that's how we do it. See? That's how we do it in this side of town. Eat and walk. Walk
Turn
and
left
eat.
onto Mulberry Street.
Turn left here.
It's a mulberry.
This is Mulberry.
Yeah.
Alright, let me follow what she said because I don't know how I end up over here. Usually I
It's supposed to
don't
be on a straight road. Go down.
go straight or make a left.
No, okay. No, it's supposed to be on the same road. It's supposed
Past
to
there,
be,
yes. But
Yeah. Normally you go straight down.
yeah, oh boy, traffic here. What is it?
Yeah,
Make a
traffic.
right?
Go. And make a right on Bayard Street. Man, why you bring your heat?
I don't know. Too. You sure you're putting the right address?
Yeah. They carry back on the same road. Chinatown over there.
At the next light, turn right.
If you get a parking here, you can get park anyway and have a walk.
What are you trying to do, dude?
If you get a parking here, park here. You get Chinatown on the other side.
Now we're gonna walk around. We're gonna drive around. Make sure we see where we're going so we know where the car is gonna be. What is guy trying to do? You looking for park? You wanna park here then?
And have a walk and go around.
But he said no
At
parking.
the light,
You
turn
get
right
ticket.
onto Bayard Street. Then at the next light,
Oh, yes.
you'll turn right.
Oh yeah, we're there right here now. So this is Chinatown. We're going to look for Peking duck. Peking duck. May I ask this guy if he's moving. Coming out? 5 minutes? Like he don't even know what he see.
So if you take the same road and come.
But we're here. So we get a park anyway here, we good, right? Alright, so yeah. What being me there? A bus? What is that? It said no parking here, but what do you think? Take a chance? We get ticket?
No standing anytime.
No standing?
Head toward Canal Street.
Actually, we find where we want to go, but we're not getting park. Can you help us get a park, please?
No, that's not Mott Avenue though.
Huh?
It's not Mott.
In front of the sky. Hey,
Huh?
you're right.
Yeah, it's a hydrant there.
No, I trying to get tickets. But this is not Mott. We're looking for Mott.
But I could fit here. If these two, like I could fit here. I could
At the
fit
next
here.
light,
I think
turn
it's
right.
park right. Now we're gonna get where we're going from here.
At the light, turn right onto Canal Street. Then after Taipan Bakery, you'll turn right.
So this is Chinatown. Looking for rose duck. All of this for rose duck. Can you imagine? I tell you, man. You think I go do this, Neil? My watch that bar, the bar in the side of my watch. That I'm gonna worry about. You know those bar, that metal thing they have there. That is what I'm worrying about. The park. And I did it. You see? So, all right. Stay tuned for my next video. I bring you up to date. We're going to look for rose duck. I would have to stop this video here.
Head toward
And
Canal
continue.
Street. Then turn right
Stay
onto
tuned.
Canal Street.
Bye for now. Don't forget, hit me the subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. Country Boy here.